What is your experience about ITCN 2025, and what is your different feeling before we saw ITCN in 2024 and in 2025?
Okay, this is my first time in ITCN for 2025, but I do have an experience being in Pakistan, in Islamabad, when I saw the APITA. That time Zohaib was the chairman of Basha, and the level. Before that, we didn't know what Pakistan was made of. It was a hidden gem, which means that we really wanted to know, and that's the reason why, as a chairman of APITA, we decided to host the event here. But I think when we came here, we were extremely surprised to see a lot of local talents, various initiatives that were brought up by the various companies, organizations, but importantly also there was a lot of support from the association and from the government, which was a very fundamental observation for me. And so when I was invited by Zohaib again to come and be a guest at this ITCN, and I was supposed to be in Philippines, but I chose to come here. But I'm not surprised. It has met my expectations. I think the diversification and inclusiveness of what is going on here, it is great. And I think Pakistan is on the right roadmap where the ICT world is concerned. All we need to now do is look at maybe some of the ways that we can chart that, but open up doors so that you could then go beyond your borders in other parts and regions that you've never explored. But you have got the ship, and now it's up to you to captain the ship.
What do you think about the tech talent of Pakistan? Is there any difference among the Pakistani tech professionals or skill set of the big countries, big economies?
But you know, when you look at tech, you have to look at so many different levels. In Pakistan, I think if I look at tech, I'm looking at three parameters. Parameter one is where all the big boys have done and they've gone beyond and they are doing business in overseas. Then you've got the middle tier, which are just about now, and there's a mixture of, in ITCN, the mixture of some of the companies which are trying to come up. But you also got the layer at the bottom, which is the tech startups and the students, for example. But in all these categories, I see there's a lot of cross-section involvement. There's also a lot of talk about how to bring that up. By the way, the startups are the bloodline of any country, because these are the people that will become the leaders of one day. So I think you've got the right perspective in terms of how government deals with it. The association like Pasha deals with it. The Pakistan Export Board that's actually managing that very well. But I think one of the things that we need to do is to shine that diamond. Right now you have a gem. The gem is not really polished properly yet, because if you look at today and you look at outside, once you take companies from within Pakistan and if you bring them into a country that is not known, they will not know what to do. So I think this is a good way to maybe start that education process now, how to do business between, learn the traits of it, and then go beyond borders to extend your horizon.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।